Hi, I am Patrick Toss, celebrity makeup artist. I am curating the first ever Glam Bag X. I'm gonna show you guys how to apply my Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush to create a super easy, super flattering look on Jasmine Sanders. There are 3 shades of my Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush in the Glam Bag X. We have She's Seductive, She's Adorable, and She's Passionate. So first thing, I'm gonna pick up She's Seductive. This is one of my favorite blushes from this collection. It has a really nice mauve-y brown undertone, and it's perfect for Jasmine's skin tones. So whenever I am applying blush, I always like to ask my client or whoever I'm applying makeup on, like, does she want to look more sexy or does she want to look cute? And I think most of my clients say sexy, but I think looking cute is way cuter. I like to apply it just like right onto the apples of the cheek if you want that really like cute look. If you want something a little bit more sexy, apply the blush more towards the upper cheekbone. This is really just going to enhance your bone structure but still give you color. So whenever applying blush, I like to kind of go in patting motions. The reason why I love patting in blush is because I don't like to move the foundation that we work so hard on. So after applying the blush with a brush, I like to go in with a blender. So the reason why I like doing this is because I like to make powder blush just melt into the skin. So now that I'm done with Jasmine cheeks, I am going to make this even way easier for you, applying this blush color just right into the crease. So a tip of mine, whenever I am applying blush onto the eyes, I always like to just apply this like right onto the crease. Once most of the product is off the brush, I can slowly diffuse up into the brow bone. And over here, this is where I really just want to elongate and blend out any eyeshadow. I hate harsh lines, so just if you think that if you blend it enough, blend a little bit more. So the reason why I created this blush collection is because I love monochromatic looks, and all of the colors that I launch in this collection, they work so beautifully on the eye. It makes just like one step that much easier. So to tie the whole look together, I'm gonna pick up one of my lip crayons. I'm using the shade She's Bold, so smile with your mouth closed. I always like to have my clients smile with their mouth closed whenever I'm applying lip liner, just because it stretches out the skin a little bit, so it makes the application a little bit easier. Always starting from the center of the Cupid's bow. If you're ever going to overdraw your lips, overdraw towards the center and always stay within your lip line as you get towards the edge, because you really want just like a really just nice pouty lip. So whenever choosing a lip color for a monochromatic look, I try to find a color that's in the same family tone. So I'm gonna be using one of my colors. So this is in the shade She's Independent. You can see that this lip color is like in the same family tone as our blush. So to finish off the look, I'm gonna be using my Dewy Milk Mist. I always like to spray just right onto the perimeter of the face, so close your eyes. And so by doing this, by spraying only the perimeter, this is gonna allow the natural oils just to really just melt the product into the skin. So your skin looks so buttery, like the blush again just melts into the skin, and that's what we want, but leaving the center of your face nice and matte and the sides dewy. So Jasmine, tell me the truth. Do you like the look?
I love the look, and I need this lip like ASAP.
It's super easy, right? So all we have is the Monochrome Moment She's Seductive blush on the cheeks and then on the eyes. Super easy, but she still looks super glam, right?
I love it.
Want to try a Monochrome Moment Velvet Blush for yourself? Then make sure to sign up for my Glam Bag X collab. The full collection drops in February.